my future millionaires, my name is Maria Andersen and we are talking about investing on this channel. So if you love investing in crypto, make sure you subscribe. Today I will show you how to create and sell your first NFT collection on Opensea absolutely for free. This video is a step-by-step guide for you guys, so please hit that like button and let's start. Okay guys, so as I told you, all this process of creation and selling will cost you $0 and zero crypto. I will show you just the easiest steps, and of course you can make it more professional after some time. And firstly guys, of course you have to download your Metamask wallet, your Metamask extension right here, and I will not show you how to do it because I already made a whole video about it. As you can see guys, I already have my Metamask wallet, my Metamask extension right here, and this exact wallet is just for the purpose of this video. I have zero crypto on it and I'm actually not using it at all. Now you have to find this exact website, opensea.io, only this one. Be aware of scammers. And if I will click right here to my profile, I can see that my Metamask wallet automatically connected to my Opensea. And this is actually your profile. You don't have to do anything special for this. Just a couple of clicks. If you already have your Metamask extension, it will be super easy for you. Okay, as I'm an artist now, I would name myself something like special. And my Metamask is telling me that I need to sign this request. Okay. And now I can change my name. Let's change it guys together. I will name myself Artist. This username is already taken. Seriously? Okay, let's do another one. Artist 2022. You also can tell the word your story, but I will not do it now. Connect your email address. Okay, my test email address is here and just click save. Now I have to verify my email address. Just click verify my email and that's it. Your email has been verified. Great. Now guys, we don't need this. Let's come back to our profile. You also can change your picture and your background, but I will not do it now. And guys, I will not click here because if I will click here, I can just create one NFT and I want to create collection, right? I will go back to my profile and I will click my collections. And here, as you can see guys, I have this button, create a collection. That's what we need. Create, curate and manage collections of unique NFTs to share and sell. Exactly. Click create a collection. Of course, here we have a logo and here is the exact size of this logo. Also, we need a featured image and we need a banner image and we need a name of this collection, of course. And you can also make your customized URL here. I will start with the logo and I'm personally not using any Photoshop now because I think that it's quite complicated and difficult and it takes a huge amount of power of my computer. I don't need it now. So I will use just a simple website called Canva. Here it is. It's absolutely free guys and you can create any design you want. Just go to canva.com and that's it. Now I will create a logo image for my NFT collection. Just click here, custom size, 350 to 350, create new design. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do, I don't know, let's do something simple. For example, we have some elements here. Let's choose heart. And what we have here, heart. Awesome. Now let's choose another one. Okay, skip tour. This one, this is nice. Let's choose this heart. You can move it as you wish. If you know how to use Photoshop, okay, great. I'm happy for you. This is just an example for beginners. Also, I can add some background here and all I have to do is just write background. And I also can pick a color I want, like this. This one is free, so I can use it absolutely for free. And okay, position backwards. Great. I guess we have a logo for our NFT collection. Then just click download. And yeah, that's it. It looks great. Absolutely great. The same thing you can do with your featured image. I will not do it now. Also, the same thing you can do with your banner image. Again, I will go back to my Canva and create a custom design. 1400, 400. Create new design. I can use the same elements I used for my logo. Like something like this. Download. It took me just 3 seconds to create this background, guys. Of course, when you will do your professional NFT collection, it might take much more time, but just as an example, I think it's a great idea. Just do like this, and yeah, that's it. We already have our banner image. Now let's create a name for our NFT collection. For example, Happy Crypto Moments. This name is available. Awesome. Let's create collection Happy Crypto Moments. Why not? Now let's create customized URL. For example, Happy Crypto Moments. We have our URL link ready. Here you can add a description, and yes guys, I really recommend you to work hard on your description, but I will not do it now. I will just add a category, art. That's enough. Also, you can add your links here, but don't worry, you can add it anytime you want. So you can add your Discord, Twitter, Instagram, Medium, and your Telegram. Also, we have royalties here, and what does it actually mean? Collect a fee when a user resells an item you originally created. This is deducted from the final sale price and paid monthly to a payout address of your choosing. Let's leave it like this for now. And here, guys, the most important thing, we have to choose a blockchain. And if you will choose Ethereum, you will have to pay for your collection creation. That's why I will choose Polygon. And also people will use Polygon to buy your art absolutely gas-free. Now guys, you have to choose how your collection will look like. Display theme, well, for example, let's choose something like this and just click create. Wow, it looks so beautiful. As you can see guys, we already created a name and all those stuff for our NFT collection, but we don't have any NFTs here yet. So let's create them now. And just click add item right here. And here guys, everything is super easy too. The maximum size is 100 megabytes. So I will create my NFT right now and I will use Canva. Go to Canva again. I will create something like 3000 to 3000. That's how I will get a very good quality art. And let's actually use the same stuff we already used. For example, this one. We can move it as we want. Heart. Okay, it's here. And we can also edit this image to make it like different color or something. Let's do a different color. Use, for example, blue one. Awesome, this is beautiful. Now I will download this art. Go back to my Opensea and just do like this. But I didn't create an NFT yet, I just downloaded this image. And let me choose a name for this heart. For example, Happy Heart number 1. Okay, nice. Also, you can add some description here. I will not do it now. Here you will choose your collections. If you have different collections, you will see it here, but we have just one for now. So I will choose Happy Crypto Moments. Here you can add your properties. If this heart is, for example, blue, here I can create as many properties as I need. For example, I can add one more. Let's write background pink and save. That's it. So you can see we have heart blue, background pink. We're like describing this NFT. And now guys, just let's click create. Create. Yeah, we have to wait a little. Don't worry, it's absolutely normal.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
And yes, as you can see guys, you created Happy Heart number 1. Congratulations! You just created Happy Heart number 1. Yeah, I'm very happy. And now guys, if you will go here, created, collections, you will see your collection right here, Happy Crypto Moments. We can add as many items as we want. Let's add one more. And I already made one more, so let's just bring it here. Number 2. Okay. Everything is the same here and just click create. Also, you have to wait a little, don't worry, just wait. Okay guys, now you can see our black card number 2 is ready. So we already have 2 NFTs in our collection, great. By the way, we can sell it right away from here, just click sell. Here we can choose the price and yeah, let's set up for example something like 0.07. So guys, it will cost nearly $270. Maybe it's too expensive, so let's set up 0007. I think that's great. And yeah, just click complete listing. Submit a transaction with your wallet to trade with this currency. This only needs to be done once. Okay. Just click sign. Transaction successful, guys. I paid $0, 0 crypto, and just click sign. And click sign again. Your NFT is listed. That's it. That's how easy it is, guys. You've listed one black card number 2. You can also share a link here to your Twitter, to your Facebook, or right away to your Telegram. And as you can see, guys, we just did everything step by step, and now we are selling our first NFT. You can also edit your price or anything you want right from here. You can cancel your listing, but we will not do it, right? Okay guys, so that's how easy it was. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like and don't forget to share your NFT collections right away in the comment section. And I wish you a good day, take care, stay safe, bye!